How to get threads. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can get threads, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you don't know what threads is actually basically an Instagram module or an addition to the already available Instagram application, which means that unless you have an Instagram account you cannot create a threads account. And to get threads, what you can do is simply head over to your Play Store if you're on Android and head over to your App Store if you're on iOS, and just go ahead and basically type in threads. Once you type in threads over here, what you want to do is you'll be able to see the first application on the list. You want to simply make sure to go ahead and then just tap on that application, tap on the install button. Depending upon the strength of your internet connection, you'll be able to successfully download the threads application on your device. This way you can get or download the threads application, which is an additional Instagram app. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.